Oh, so you're an overthinker. Congratulations! Your brain is basically the Wi-Fi router of thoughts, constantly on, never taking a day off, and sometimes buffering at the worst possible moments. If you've ever replayed a conversation from 3 years ago while brushing your teeth, welcome to the club. We meet at 3 a.m. when no one can sleep. Here's the thing, overthinking isn't all bad. In fact, it can be a superpower. You spot problems before they happen. You consider perspectives most people don't even notice. You're basically the Batman of brainstorming. But, and you knew this was coming, sometimes that same superpower turns around, smacks you in the face, and suddenly you're paralyzed by what-ifs instead of actually living your life. And that matters because overthinking steals your time, your energy, and your peace. It convinces you that thinking equals solving, when really, you're just stuck in a mental hamster wheel. So why does this happen? Here's the sciencey part, but don't worry, no exam at the end. Your brain loves certainty. It wants everything wrapped up in a nice little box with a bow on top. Overthinking is your brain's way of trying to predict the future so you can feel safe. But the future? Yeah, it doesn't like being bossed around. So what do we do? How do we keep the superpower but ditch the side effects? 3 simple steps. Step 1. Label it. The moment you catch yourself spiraling, say out loud or in your head if you're in public, "Oh, cool. This is an overthinking moment." It sounds silly, but it creates distance between you and your thoughts. You're observing the storm, not getting blown away by it. Step 2. Park it. Get a notebook or your phone's notes app and write down the thought. Tell yourself, "I'll think about this at 7 p.m. for 10 minutes." It tricks your brain into relaxing because it knows you've scheduled the worry. And honestly, half the time when you go back to it, you realize, yeah, that was dramatic. Step 3. Act small. Overthinking thrives on inaction. Do one tiny thing that moves you forward. Send the email, make the call, take the walk. Action shuts the door on endless mental debates because your brain now has real data, not just theories. Try this today. Label one overthinking moment. Park it, and take one small action. Just one. You'll be shocked at how much lighter your brain feels. And hey, if this helped you, hit subscribe or drop a comment about the weirdest thing you've ever overthought, because I promise you, you're not alone. Overthinking might be a lifelong roommate, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to run the house. Now, go turn that overthinking superpower into something that actually moves your life forward. And maybe get some sleep tonight, okay?